Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. The channel name is Azure Chris. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe, like, share. Also click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay guys, we are continuing with the 2021 general or core mathematics past question. And this is question 3A. And question 3A is a cycle theorem. It's a cycle theorem, and normally it involves a cycle with so many lines subtending, and we normally have to find one angle or the other. So the question reads, in the diagram is a circle M and PQ with center O. The reflex angle at O is 204 degrees. Angle MNO is 52 degrees. Find the value of M. So M is here, and we are asked to find the value of M. So how are we doing it? Stay tuned. Okay, you're welcome back. So what we are going to do here is we are going to take critical observation of the diagram and be able to come out with the value of M. And first of all, what we should know is that this O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and OM is a radius, and OP is a radius. And we have seen N on top here. We've seen N up here, which is MN. And we also have line NP. And we have MO and OP. So what we do is that first of all, we find the angle. We find the angle at the minor sector. Okay. Here we have two sectors, minor sector and a major sector. This is the minor sector. This is the minor sector. MON here found the minor sector, and we have the major sector up here. So the angle of the major sector is 204 degrees, and the angle of the minor sector is what? We don't know. But we learned that angle at the point is equal to 360 degrees. Angle at the point is equal to 360 degrees. So if the angle, if this, at this point, we have 204 degrees, then the angle here is going to be what? We subtract 360 from 204. So that is going to be, we have we have this will give us 156 degrees. So the angle inside here is now 156 degrees. So further on we move, and since we know that the angle here is 156, since we know that the angle here at O is 156 degrees, we now find the angle up here, the minor sector. So therefore, we say angle NP equals half of half of angle MOP, and that will give us angle MNP equals MOP is 156, so that we have 1 to give us 78 degree. So therefore here is, so let's do this first. Okay, so we have this. Now we know the angle at this point and the angle at this point. So what we are going to do is we find the angle at here. Let's assume we have this. Okay, what will be the angle here and the angle here? What will be the angle at, let's say, OMP? What will be the angle OMP? And because this is the radius and this is also because MO is a radius and OP is a radius, the angle at OMP is equivalent to the angle at OPM. So the angle here and the angle here are equal because these are the radius, this and this are the radius of the circle. So first of all, we have this. Let's try to find the angle here. Let's find the angle here, and that is going to be, OMP angle OMP equals angle OPM. Yeah, angle OMP equals angle OPM. And let's go ahead. So therefore, we know that the angle here is 156. So what we are going to do is we have 180 minus 156 because the sum of all internal angles of a triangle is 180. When you add all the angles in any triangle at all, you are getting 180. So if out of 180 we have 156, then what is left? So that is going to be 24. Good. That is 24. Out of 180, we have 56. So we have 24 left. But out of the 24, we are dividing it to get the angle here and the angle here. So we have 20 angle O MP equals angle O PM, which is equals 24 divided by 2, and that will give us 12 degree. Therefore, the angle here is 12 degree, the angle here is 12 degree. So we have here to be 12 degree and here to be 12 degree. Good. We have 152 here degree here, 12 degree here, 78 here, 204 here, 156, and we have M here. So how are we now finding M? Let's separate the triangle on its own. So we are going to have the triangle separate. Okay, so we have N, M, P. So N, M, P. And what is the angle at M and P? That's 78. So we have 78 degrees. And what is the angle at M and P? M and P. That is going to be 152. That is going to be 52 plus 12. MMP is going to be 52 here plus 12 here. Therefore, we have 52 plus 12, that will give us 64. So we have 64 here. degrees, and here we have 12 and M. So definitely we are going to have 12 plus M here. And we know that, as we said earlier on, the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals 180 degree. So we have 180 degree equals 78 degrees plus 64 degrees plus 12 degrees plus M. And that's going to give us 180 degree equals 78 plus 64. That is going to be 142. 8 plus 12 will give us 12. To put 2 remainder 1, and this 7 plus 6 give us 13 plus 1, 14. So that will give us 142. 142 plus 12. This will give us 154. Okay, so put 154 plus M, and we have 180 minus 154 equals M, and this will give us 26. Therefore, we are getting 26 degrees equals M. Therefore, we say that this implies that M is equals 26 degrees. That is that. So M is equals 26 degrees. Meaning, when you substitute the values of M here and you sum all the angles in the triangle, you are getting 180 degrees. That is that. So guys, congratulations and thumbs up for you if you had this in the examination. If you were a candidate, subscribe once more, like and share so that others will be able to access the videos and watch, particularly the candidates who sat for the exams and are so inquisitive, trying to know whether what they wrote inside there was correct or wrong. Share so that it will benefit everyone. We are coming up with more of the questions solved. Until we meet again, we say stay blessed and bye.